Welcome back guys to our channel. Today I will talk about writing and translation work online. So if you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more online make money videos. So let's start the video. First of all, the most popular online work, writing and translation. If you are a good writer, then you can write articles, savvies, blog post, essay, stories, description, reviews, and much more. Even you can translate language to the here some ideas about this. If you writing and translation work, this is a particular niche ideas. Article writing, blog post, stories, song and or poems, creating savvies, press release work, legal documents, essay, description, review about anything, proofreading, remove grammatical mistakes, copyright service, speech, taglines and slugs, translation, script, dramas or films, dialogues and advertise. So I am copy translation and uh, writing and search in the Google search bar fiverr.com. Click on the first Fiverr and come here. I'm click in the search bar of the Fiverr and paste writing and translation and then search it. Okay, 2321 people and writing and translation work. I will high quality English to village translation. Say I will write short article from 500 to 1000 word article. How much charge this one? Okay, 157 orders completed this seller. Okay, so let's I am search writing and translation work in Google. So let's suppose check here what is writing translation, what is the writing and translation jobs, what is writing and translation and freelancing. Here Upwork, the most popular freelancing site. Shop writing translation project, make your content signing in any language. How it works: content writing, article, blogs, books, ebook and writing much more. Okay, people have get writing translation service software and the best freelancer in the world discover are portable and experienced freelance 8 people per hour. Okay, writing is translation and the fact writing important translation and important the reading is the sense of former one who transparent and this one is the guru. So this is the very simple work. If you knowledge about any language writing, then come here and online start your work. If you knowledge writing English, then write English the word. If you write writing your mother or language, Urdu, write English, Urdu gig and Hindi, Marathi, anything, German, Chinese and start your work. What is the translation and writing? What types the translation exist? So this is a use active voice, always aim for this, but is especially important when writing per translation. Use the subject for object sentence structure. Okay, so if you start your gig in online, come on the Fiverr, create your gig and start now today. So if you like our videos, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.